Alright, so today I'm taking a quick look at a backpack, and I'll show you my favorite feature first. There's an external USB port right here. So basically, you don't have to worry about carrying a power bank outside in your pocket. You can just plug your phone or whatever device you like to charge into this plug, and then on the inside here, you use the cable that is included, that's built in, plug in your power bank, slip it into the pocket on the inside, and you can charge your device. Now there are a large amount of pockets in this bag. You can see some of the pockets here, some of the pockets down here in the bottom. Of course, you have your laptop sleeve area, all well padded, so you don't have to worry about damage to your actual laptop. This can fit to a 17. This is not a 17, obviously, but just to give you an idea, there's plenty of room available. And of course, I would normally slide it into the actual laptop pocket, but I just wanted to show you that real quick so that you can see, even with one that's around 16 inches, 15.6, 16 inches, you have a lot of room available. So, with that all said, you can say you've got a multitude of pockets so you can tuck things away. You can see that there's zippered and mesh pockets for quick and easy access. And then you've got all these different smaller pockets available. This pocket on the outside here, you see it disappears essentially, so it's kind of a hidden pocket for the most part. So it should make it a little bit nicer in terms of security, because people won't be able to easily get access to it, and you just have that seam. So that's a really nice aspect. Again, my favorite part is definitely the USB. You have a little place you can hang this up if you needed to when you're not using it. And on the back, you have these very comfortable padded straps. Of course, you have these portions here if you want to clip your phone or MP3 player or something you happen to have onto this. You have this cushion that is thick and comfortable. This also promotes airflow because it puts the actual backpack off of your back a little bit, which is nice. If you're someone who travels, you'll appreciate this strap because it will allow you to slip it over your little trolley cart type device. And again, more padding, also improved air circulation with the padding on the bottom. And then here you got this pocket, which is really very secure because it's going to be against your back, and that's going to help a great deal keeping your valuables out of the hands of criminals. So overall, I'm really happy with the actual color. It is not necessarily waterproof, but water should kind of sheet off of this to some degree because it has a very nice closely woven type material design. Straps are easy to make adjustments. And again, there's a multitude of different areas for you to tuck things, just pockets here and pockets there. But overall, very comfortable, very well made, and it will fit a large size laptop. So that is obviously a great benefit. Now it does have a little piece of paper that's included. Of course, you want to cut that off, but it gives you all the care instructions so that you can properly maintain your bag and hopefully have it for a very long time to come. So that is pretty much all I have to say about the bag myself. If you want to find out more, I encourage you to check out the link below the video. You can look at other reviews and see more information about the specific bag. But overall, it's just got a ton of different pockets. The zippers work really well. They flow very smooth. They don't snag and get caught like so many. And like I say, you've got so many different little hidden areas that you can tuck things away. You shouldn't have to worry too much about having something stolen. So that is pretty much it. Check out the link below. Thank you for watching.